Introducing the Norwood LumberMate Pro MX34. Whether you're a commercial sawyer looking to build a business or a private woodlot owner looking to build your dream projects, the LumberMate Pro's engineered big enough, rugged enough, and productive enough to handle it. The LumberMate handles logs 34 inches in diameter and saws beams and boards a full 28 inches wide. Standard, the LumberMate mills logs 13 feet long. Add extension sections to saw logs of any length, even 45-foot beams for post and beam homes. The LumberMate Pro's huge capacity and super efficient operational design will boost your production by up to 40%. The LumberMate Pro cuts through hardwoods and softwoods alike. Boards come off the mill so smooth, it gives the term rough-sawn lumber a whole new meaning. The patented log rests automatically lock in place. Sight scales take the guesswork out of adjusting your rests. A flick of the lever quickly lowers the log rest. Logs and beams are securely clamped with the LumberMate's heavy-duty cam-operated log dogs. Norwood silicone steel blades cut easily through both soft and hardwoods. Their thin kerf means you get a maximum of lumber and a minimum of sawdust. The LumberMate enables fast cycle times and is easy to operate. Just lower the saw head, activate the operator's control, and guide the blade through the cut. The LumberMate Pro does the rest. The patented self-locking saw head does away with time-consuming operator functions. Simply set your depth of cut and mill. The LumberMate's single-action, four-function operator's control simultaneously releases the brake, throttles up the engine, engages the mechanical clutch, and turns on the water lube. Releasing the control automatically stops these functions. The LumberMate is so fast, so efficient, it's hard to call it a manual mill. Each rotation of the saw head handle enables rapid setting for 1-inch boards. For milling 1-inch boards, there is simply no faster system. To mill other board thicknesses, refer to the depth of cut and quarter scale. Mill multiple boards simultaneously to maximize your production of dimensional lumber. 2x4s, 4x4s, 2x6s, 2x10s. You can flat saw, quarter saw, resaw, resize, and to maximize board yield, group flitches of similar size for edging. Mill veneer as thin as 1/16 of an inch or large 28-inch square beams. You can mill exactly what you want when you want. Faster, bigger, and more productive. The LumberMate Pro puts you in control of your business goals and in control of your project dreams. And like everything that carries the Norwood name, the LumberMate Pro MX34 is built for the long haul.